Hey, Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja DIY Store. Today I want to talk to you about the Max Fogger. Now, with all of the problems we've had with shutdowns and viruses and everything else, we've had a hard time keeping foggers in stock. So we're introducing the Max Fogger. So this fogger will hold about 1.5 gallons of material that you pour in right here, okay? The other nice thing about this fogger is it has a really long wand. So if you want to walk around and fog your church or your school or your home or your ductwork or your crawl space, whatever it is you're fogging, you got a lot of versatility. You can even turn it on and off right here at the nozzle. The only thing I would want you to know about this fogger is that it pulls air from the bottom. Okay, so if you're going to set it down on the ground, don't set it down on dirt or plastic because it can suck that up into this and clog the fogger. But it's a great product. So if you're looking to fog something, make sure you check out this fogger.